I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in and choosing Create Campaign. This gets you into the uploader immediately. Upload your PNG overlay. Why PNG? Because transparency preserves the photo beneath. Once the file is accepted, name the campaign and set visible dates so people know when to add the frame. Make sure to select the correct language and privacy. This matters for discoverability. After saving these first settings, you're ready to move to frame positioning and preview steps. Now you position the overlay precisely. Drag handles let you scale and center for typical faces. Test 16:9 and 1:1 crops so it works everywhere. You should lower opacity if the overlay hides faces and set default crop behavior so users don't need extra steps. Then fill in campaign text, short phrase, hashtags, and an action line because clear messaging drives participation. Once satisfied with previews, proceed to publishing settings and sharing options. When everything looks right, publish the campaign and immediately copy the share links. Post them to social platforms to kickstart adoption. Monitor user previews and metrics, and edit size or position if images appear clipped. Small tweaks can fix many issues. If the uploader rejects your file, re-export as PNG with true transparency or reduce dimensions to fit the size limit. That usually resolves errors. If problems persist, recheck file mode and re-upload. Don't overwrite until you confirm the preview.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.